I am not Igbo. That's what Anthony Nwokocha from Omoku in the heart of Rivers State boldly declared. But here is the twist. His name is Igbo, his language, Igbo dialects as well. And the 4 market days in his community are all the Igbo 4 market days of Eke, Orie, Afo, and Nkwo. So, one would ask, why deny who you are? Is it ignorance, shame, or something else? Stay with us, because what you are about to watch will shake the roots and foundations of identity crisis in the whole of Niger Delta in Nigeria. Enjoy watching.
What be your name?
My name is Anthony.
And Anthony who?
Onyocha.
Onyocha. Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Omoku.
Omoku, yeah, okay. All right, we are in Omoku, and we are right here with Mr. Anthony Onyocha. So, tell us, what is this Onyocha mean?
Onyocha, that is the grandfather's name.
What do you mean?
The meaning of Onyocha is the man yellow.
Yellow man?
Yellow man.
White man?
White man is
okay. So, okay. Really, what think carry us come Omoku? We want to know the people of this place, Omoku, where they really from, as in their origin, and who they be as a people.
Omoku from some parts. Omoku from what you call what they call Bini.
Okay.
We depart from Bini to Omoku here.
So some parts. So which other parts? Where are they from? The other parts?
Some parts from all this again there.
Again? Again are where?
Again, that is we have a day, we have a Obite, we have a Opose. So Omoku is the headquarters of it.
Okay. So so how come your name it sound like Igbo?
Well, of course, I'm from one side of myself. I'm from Igbo. I grew up from Igbo, but I'm original of Omoku.
Okay, where you grew up? Which side of
you? I grew up from Delta State. Apo.
Your name, how does that affect your name?
My name is Anthony Onyocha.
What is your native name? Remove the Anthony.
Native name is Amakobe.
Yeah?
Amakobe.
Amakobe.
Amakobe. Amakobe.
Amakobe.
Amakobe.
What do you mean?
The meaning of Amakobe is that nobody will know say I go there alive.
Which language is that?
It's Omoku language.
What is Omoku language?
Omoku language is a general language for all of us.
How are they, as in, if person one say beer for Omoku, as in, or come for Omoku?
Beer.
Omoku na beer?
Beer.
Come. Okay. For Omoku language, if you want to say welcome,
yeah.
Welcome.
Welcome, but no.
If you want to say go.
Ngwaje.
If you want to say, where are you going to?
That is, if you want to ask somebody, so where are you going? You look at.
Okay, if you want that person from Omoku language, come chop.
That they are really.
Waiting.
They really.
But all these things where they speak, na Igbo, they sound Igbo.
All of we and the Igbo, we are speaking the same. Only difference of the tongues.
There is no difference.
The difference.
What's the difference?
The difference is that beer. Difference there inside.
So how many market days will I get for Omoku?
We have Orie, we have Nkwo. That is the 2 days market. That Nkwo, we have Orie, we have Nkwo, we have Afo.
And waiting.
And Eke. That is 4 markets.
And it's not Igbo?
It's not Igbo.
How?
It's not Igbo.
Which place for Benin get this language?
Well, of course, I don't know the area from Benin, but what we know is that we be part from Benin. Some part of Omoku from Benin, some part from another areas.
Okay. Okay, so if you, as in, I'm short of word actually, because the language just one day similar like Igbo people. So, but you say now no Igbo.
We are Igbo, but we are not particular Igbo. We are Omoku Igbo.
Okay, Omoku Igbo.
I hope you learned something from that video, that it is not enough to deny your identity. You cannot erase the culture. You cannot erase the language. And you cannot erase the traditions of the people who you are. You cannot deny who you are completely and successfully so. In case you enjoyed watching that video, it was created by our brother Chukwuemeka of Unknowingly TV. Please, I am inviting you to watch other more interesting videos you will find on our channel. Thank you and do have a very pleasant day.